Hi, I'm Matt, and on today's Matt's World DIY, I'm changing out outdoor light fixtures. I love this outdoor fixture, but it's original to the house and the LED element is burned out, so I need to change them. I've already changed out the light fixtures in the front of the house to this more modern looking design. I love how there's a light on the top and the bottom of each one of these fixtures. And they were easy to replace, so I thought I'd show you I want to go from this to this on my back porch. I'll put a link in the description for all of the light fixtures that I'm using here today that I got from Amazon. So let's get to it. So the first thing we have to do is turn the power off. So go to your circuit breaker, do that, and then remove the two nuts that are holding on the fixture, and then the light fixture should come off easily into your hands. Hold on to it and then pull out the wires. You should have 3 wires, a black, a white, and a bare wire. The black is your hot wire, the white is your neutral, and then the bare wire is your ground. Depending on how well they were secured, they may just come off right after you take the wire nuts off, but you may need to do a little encouraging as well. And after I did that, I decided just to clean off the box with an old paintbrush just to get some of the cobwebs off. And I was wondering if I could use this same mounting bracket because the screws lined up with the new fixture. Well, after playing around with it, I figured, no, I need to swap it out with the new bracket for the new fixture. Now, you may also notice that there are extra black wires, an extra black wire, white wire, and an extra ground wire. That's because this particular box is connecting both there's a light switch inside that controls the light that's on the outside, as well as a ceiling fan, which I'm not even using. Now you'll notice after I took that off, there was so much debris inside. There's a dirt dauber nest as well as some insulation. So I just took the moment to clean it out really well and then put the new bracket on. So all you have to do is feed the wires through the center of the bracket. Make sure the orientation of your mounting screws are correct. These have to be vertical instead of horizontal like the previous ones. And then I tightened up the wires, just made sure that they were nice and secure to each other. Then I put the new wire nuts on, making sure that each one of the wires that I connected was securely installed so that there's absolutely no risk of a bad connection. So then push your wires back into the box as best you can, and then line up the holes of the mounting or of your fixture with the mounting screws, and then put the little nuts back on, and you are pretty much done. Turn the power back on, and then go inside, flip your switch, and cross your fingers, and there we go. It absolutely works. I was so super happy. This is an easy way to update your outdoor lighting. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other videos that I have on my DIY playlist. I'll see you next time.